what is technical analysis? To understand technical analysis and the scope and the reason why it has become so famous, the reason why people are adopting technical analysis to make some money in the markets, why do people use technical tools and technical indicators and charting techniques? And more than that, does it really work? That's the biggest question. The biggest myth of people is that technical analysis does not work all the time, or maybe you cannot get a good long-term picture from technical analysis. Let's say I want to buy a stock for 15, 20 days, 1 month, 2 months. I will not be able to get any inference from technical analysis. A lot of people have a myth that to use technical analysis, I'll have to buy expensive softwares and pay a lot of money for subscriptions. I'm so sorry. Everything which I'm going to teach you is going to be 100% available to everyone as an open source, which means you don't need to pay any money anywhere for any software, any subscription anywhere. Whichever websites or softwares or I would say tools I'm going to show you, they will all be available to you free of cost. You don't need to worry. Okay, you don't need to buy anything. But at least you can start off with your first step towards technical analysis. Technical analysis includes a lot of areas. Out of that, which area are you interested into? That you need to choose. Some people are masters of Japanese candlestick patterns. Some people are overall very much, I would say, experienced in charting techniques, identifying the Western patterns and everything. Some people are a pro when it comes to technical indicators, basic technical indicators. Some people can really trade just merely with support and resistance levels. They can do some swing trading and make some money. So basically, there are various areas in technical analysis. You need to know which area is good for you, which area is not, which area you are able to tap up and cope up with, and which area you are not able to. Now, can I do without, let's say, knowing about, let's say, one of the areas? Can I still do technical analysis? Answer is 100% yes. But you will always increase your chance of making more money in the stock markets if you know every area of technical analysis. Okay, when you're driving a car, you can do without, let's say, knowing how to play the music. You can do without knowing, let's say, the whether there is a one way or a two way, because you can always ask anyone. You can stop your car. You can talk to the traffic police. You can take help from someone else. You can use Google Maps. But let's say if you are driving along with the knowledge of everything, you know how to drive well. You can adapt to the changes, traffic jams. You can play a nice music. So overall experience is enriched. Similarly, it's not that you cannot drive your way through the markets without knowing, one or two areas. It's not like that. You can always make some money. But then, if you individually focus on one areas, which I'm going to tell you today, and give it the time it needs, maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year also, individual areas I'm saying, one year for individual areas, then overall in 3, 4 years, 5 years, you will see that you have actually become a very matured trader. And now you have kind of started understanding the world of technical analysis.